A crucial step in the evolution of modern plant agriculture was the development of low-cost, energy-efficient greenhouse structures that provide optimum growing conditions year-round. In 2004, ASABE recognized the invention of using air to separate two layers of plastic film glazing in greenhouse construction as its 44th historic landmark event. In 1964, Professor William J. Roberts developed the first air-inflated double-layer polyethylene greenhouse covering system at Cook College, Rutgers University. Two layers of film were used to avoid condensation drip. It was noted that there was a 30% reduction in energy required for heating. Laboratory tests were conducted to determine the stress conditions in the connections and film. This technique was first tested on a steel hoop structure where the two layers of film were installed, connected to the ends and base of the structure, and then separated by a small inflation fan. The fan, operating at 0.25 inches static pressure, used the outside air to eliminate condensation between two layers of film. Nailing strips and batten tape with staples were initially used, but covering soon became easier and more user-friendly with various types of locking devices. Freestanding and gutter-connected greenhouses using the two-layer air inflation technique with inexpensive polyethylene film were developed. Air-inflated double-layer polyethylene greenhouse covering systems were quickly and widely adopted worldwide, primarily due to the relatively low installation costs, adequate light transmission, and significant insulating properties. Today, more than half of all greenhouses worldwide use this system. Later research at Rutgers University contributed to the development of moving heat retention shade curtains and various floor heating systems. The initial objective for the curtains was heat savings, but the idea of selecting materials for optimal shading quickly became an added advantage as well. While floor heating systems were intended to save energy, the benefit to plant growth turned out to be a more important benefit. Former ASABE President Bob Gustafson is shown here with Bill Roberts, inventor of the technique at the site of the first trial in 1964. The original greenhouse and ASABE plaque are located at Rutgers University in New Brunswick, New Jersey.